What's up, guys? How's it going? Ross here, and I want to show you guys really quickly a really simple way to be able to deliver a lead magnet through a link. You could deliver so many different things, but I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this where somebody they opt into a form and they don't get the link, they don't get the email, the PDF, whatever it is that you're sending them. It was a file for a lead magnet. I've had that before. But with Link Wizard, you can actually do all of this right within Link Wizard. So let me show you how this works. So we're going to just go here and create a file link. And just for the sake of this, I'll put that. And now I need to upload a file. So I'll just upload something goofy. I'll upload a screenshot of the actual Link Wizard. Then what I can do is I can just go ahead and a few things. I could go ahead and add a pixel to this. I would need to have a pixel installed on the actual software. I can add tags, description, etc. And then I can just click here, create file link. Oh, I need to uncheck that. Go ahead and hit create file link. Now this could be really cool for you if you're creating just like a quick lead magnet on Facebook and you're just wanting to throw out a link really quick for somebody. Now, if you click preview link right here, if we open up the link, it says files should download now, and boom, it sends us that link right down here into our download files. That's how you can quickly give somebody your link. Now, I want to show you something else that you could do with that if you wanted to do something really quick. So what I'm going to do is copy this link right here, and I'm going to go here and create an opt-in link. So now if I go here, I'm going to actually enter this URL right there. And I could put where should we send your top 10 funnel conversion tips. Now, one thing I understand is that this is not fancy. It's not supposed to replace a funnel builder because it's not going to have all of the same editing features, but it does work pretty good. And then we'll just go for just like a quick thing. If you don't feel like going and building an entire funnel out, and we'll just put this. You could even pixel it, etc. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll create this opt-in link like this. Now let me show you what happens. So now when I click on this, it's going to make us really just actually I did the wrong. I clicked on the wrong thing here. I needed an opt-in link. If I click on this opt-in link, it's going to take us to a really simple, basic form. But now when I type in this and I hit submit, it would take me to this and it would send me to the download. So it's a quick way, like if you're like, oh, I don't feel like going and building a funnel, but I have this new whatever, or however you want to get something out, you could do it really quick, all right within Link Wizard.